Hello, in this video we're looking at custom page templates for WordPress. Now in the last video we talked about how certain layer comp names are reserved and that WordPress will treat them a certain way, such as home page, single page, 404 page, etc. If you use a different layer comp name, one that is not one of the reserved names, then SiteGrinder is going to presume that that is a custom template page and is going to output it as such for WordPress to use as a custom template when making new pages. So that means that if your pages are not named home page, blog page, single page, 404 page, one of those reserved names, then you're not normally going to see them in your WordPress theme unless you exploit them specifically using as a template, which we'll see in a second. Now, if you're planning for a page to be a template, you should place the word template in the page name. So let's take a look at this Photoshop file here. Now, the first page we've been looking at right now, this is the home page. It's the reserved name that we see in WordPress, and it's pretty much the page that we've been using for a little while now. Nothing terribly fancy and fairly gruesome looking. This second layer comp is named Trophy Template Page. Now, I've used the word template in the name of this page. By using the word template in the name of this page, we just get one small convenience, is that when SiteGrinder sees this page in the design manager, it's just going to throw the page directly into single post view rather than put it in multi-post view. So a very small convenience. But in other ways, it doesn't really matter. Now, this page that I'm planning to be a template has two most important things. It's got the post title identifier, which we can see up here at the top of the page, and it's got the post content identifier, which we can see in the lower part of the page. Now, both of these identifiers are on posts layers, so we can see that we're using the posts layers just like we normally would for a page. So we still use those post layers. I'm doing a little trick here. I'm turning the fill down to 0% so that we won't see these particular ones. We can look at the page normally. Now, I'm going to skip the design manager in this particular section. When we go to the theme where it's been deployed, then it looks like this. And so now we're seeing what the page we expected. There it is. And that custom page that we designed with the trophy and the green background is not, we're not going to see that normally. So if I come here and I click and go into single post view, we just use the same blog template that we were using before. We don't see a custom blog template. Now, if we want to use that trophy template, we make a new page by doing this. First, I'm going to go into my login to my admin on the WordPress blog. Here I am. And then I'm going to go on the left here, and I'm going to go to this pages control you can see over here. And I open that up, and I choose new page or add new. So I choose add new, and then I will make a new page and give it some content. And over on the right side of the page, where it says page attributes, I can choose a template. It's right now set to be the default template, which is just the same one as all my pages are using, like my home page, that blue bar one. Or I can choose a different template, and I'm going to choose the trophy template. So now I've made a new page. Robots are amazing. I've chosen it to have the trophy template, and I'll just go ahead and publish that page. So I'll probably want to view that. So let's just go ahead and view this page. And there it is. So there's this custom page I made that is has the content set right there in WordPress, and it's using this custom page design. Now, if we want people to navigate to this page from the rest of our WordPress theme, we'll probably want to make either a custom menu or make sure that this page is included in the page history, that sort of stuff. WordPress has lots of facility for those sorts of things. Hope this video was helpful.